Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naved Khan. Today day 4 of SQL LeetCode problem series and today we solve 1148 article view 1 question. If you are new in this channel, so make sure like the video, subscribe the channel and check full playlist in the description. Now let's go and start the question. Here we have a table and here we have a column name and types. Here three IDs, article IDs, author ID and viewer ID. Its type is int and the last one is view date and its type is date. There is no primary key column with unique value for this table. The table may have duplicate records, duplicate rows, and each rows of this table indicate that some viewer viewed at article written by some author on some date. Note that's equal. This line is most important for solving this question. Equal author ID and viewer ID indicate the same person. Here we check same person. So here 7 7 and 4 4 and 4 4. The one thing is most important here also mention each row has same viewer and viewed article written by same author on same type. But here only print 4 and 7. It means only we have to print unique value. And here author ID indicate ID. So here we use as keyword. So let's go and start writing query. Okay, so here we write select select author ID. Select author ID as ID mention from the question and next from our table name is view. Our table name is views. Okay, here when we go in this line here indicate author ID and viewer ID the same person. So here we write author ID is equal to viewer ID. Okay, viewer ID. Now here it's by ascending order, and here it's mentioned return the result table sorted by ID in ascending order. So here we use order by ID. Okay. One thing is error in this time, I think, which is we have to print unique 4 and 7. Wrong answer. Why wrong answer? We check. What's output? Here the output is 447 and here expected output is 47. So here we use district keyword. Which keyword? Or district keyword. This keyword. Why we use this keyword? Because in this keyword we print only unique value. Let's run this code again. Now accepted 47 expected output and our output is same. Now submit the code. 13 out of 13 test cases passed. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you.